Is StubHub legit? StubHub is a well-known online marketplace for buying and selling tickets to live events like concerts, sports games, and theater performances. However, given the rise in ticket scams, many potential customers wonder if StubHub is a safe and legitimate platform. This guide provides a thorough review of StubHub's legitimacy, services, and reliability. 1. Overview of StubHub. StubHub was founded in 2000 and is now one of the largest ticket marketplaces in the world. It allows individuals to buy and sell tickets for various live events. In 2021, it merged with Viagogo, expanding its global reach. Second, legitimacy and industry reputation. StubHub is a legitimate, established business with decades of experience in the secondary ticket market. It is widely recognized and trusted by millions of users worldwide. The platform is often partnered with major sports leagues, venues, and event organizers. Third, ticket guarantee policy. StubHub offers its FanProtect Guarantee, which promises valid tickets. If tickets are invalid or don't work, StubHub provides replacements or refunds. On-time delivery. Tickets are delivered before the event. Full refunds for canceled events. If an event is canceled and not rescheduled, customers receive a full refund. This policy significantly reduces the risk of scams and provides peace of mind to buyers. Fourth, payment security and data protection. StubHub uses advanced encryption to protect customer information during transactions. Payments can be made using secure methods like credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay, adding extra layers of security. 5. Common complaints and risks. Despite its legitimacy, some customers report issues such as high fees. StubHub charges both buyers and sellers, which can make tickets more expensive. Ticket delivery delays. Electronic tickets sometimes arrive closer to the event date. Scam attempts by sellers. While rare, some sellers attempt to list fake tickets, although StubHub's guarantee helps protect buyers in these cases. 6. User reviews and satisfaction. StubHub generally receives positive reviews for its wide selection and reliable customer support. However, customer satisfaction can vary depending on the seller's behavior and external event-related factors. 7. Tips for safe ticket purchases. Buy from reputable sellers. Check ratings and reviews of sellers before purchasing. Stick to electronic tickets. Digital tickets are more easily verifiable. Monitor event details. Confirm event dates and times before purchasing. Conclusion: StubHub is a legitimate and secure ticket marketplace with a strong track record in the industry. While high fees and occasional delays can occur, the FanProtect Guarantee ensures buyers receive valid tickets or a refund. For those seeking tickets to popular events, StubHub remains a reliable option when used with caution and due diligence.